The Tool for Online and Offline Language Learning Tool 2 project, funded by the European Union, has compiled blended learning language courses in 5 European languages: Slovene, Estonian, Hungarian, Maltese and Dutch. The partners in the project are experts in language education and technology in education from across Europe. This will be a short introduction that will show you how to use the platform of the Tool project if you are a blended learning tutor. To begin with, we have to access the platform of the project first. Once the website is displayed, please log in with your username and password for accessing the foreign language courses. The courses are designed for learners that have at start the level A1, and the course objective is to achieve level A2 as described in the Common European Framework of Reference document. In this tutorial, we shall go through a Slovene course through the orientation unit created for the tutor and through the tutor guide. The course selected here as an example is the Slovene language course, which, as all the other courses, is structured in the following sections: free study module, a grammar unit, a vocabulary unit, a unit on culture, one on study tips, entry and final tests, and 2 orientation units, one for the learners and one. We will explore together in more detail the orientation unit for tutors in the second part of this tutorial. As an example, we shall go through the first module of the Slovene language course. As you can see, and this goes for all the other modules, the first module is made of 4 thematic units, mostly related to the personal and public domain, and 1 unit for consolidation of the knowledge and skills accumulated throughout the module. Language functions taught as a part of the Tool blended learning program refer to transactional situations. The methodology used combines blended learning, autonomous learning, collaborative learning, flexible role of the tutor. The course content of each unit focuses on developing the following skills: reading, writing, listening, talking and reflection, learning to learn. Both self-assessment and continuous assessment can be found in the Tool language courses. As far as self-assessment is concerned, at the beginning of every unit, the objectives are presented. At the end of the unit, students are asked to assess their own progress and to write down their reflections in their diary. As far as continuous assessment is concerned, tutors assess the progress of each student in language capacities on the basis of in-class performance and work presented module by module. Now we will begin the second part of the tutorial, which mainly focuses on presenting the orientation unit created for the tutor. For this, we have returned to the start page of the Slovene language course. As you can see here, the orientation unit created for the tutor is divided in two: the tool tutor guide, tutor training, guidelines and adequate materials for 12 face-to-face sessions, and final test. The tutor guide is an extensive material with an overview of the entire role of the tutor. We recommend it is read thoroughly before and during the course. In the tutor training section of the orientation unit for the tutor, you may find tips and tricks for the tutor, useful information about the course in general, and about working in a blended learning environment. The tutor training material is grouped in several sections that deal with different aspects of the online tutor's work and role: interaction and cooperation, breaking the ice, organizing a discussion board, and giving feedback, for example. Make sure that you allocate enough time for reading through these materials, as they are only briefly introduced in this video tutorial.